Hello, math teachers. Welcome to this Math Mini on navigating your way through the HRW GoMath platform. The first thing you want to do is log in. How to access your HRW account is really easy. Just go to your Manage Bookmarks and click the HRW link. HRW is linked with your Google, so it should log you in right away. The first thing you want to do before you actually continue within the platform is make sure you are on the correct grade level you want to work with. So it does not default it to the grade level you want it to, so make sure to drop down and click on the grade level you want. Today I'm going to be working with the 7th grade texts. So the first thing that you want to notice are your resources here. So all of the red resources are for teachers, and the yellow resources here are for students. You have your interactive student edition, your teacher edition and resources, your interactive answers and solutions, and your teacher one-stop. So the two that I'm going to focus on today are the teacher edition resources and the one-stop shop. So your teacher edition resources are PDFs of everything that you have as a resource here in GoMath. So you have your teacher's edition here completely in PDF format. You have additional resources that are available to you: Spanish resources, parent letters, assessment resources, differentiated instruction, practice and fluency skills, solution keys, interactive whiteboards, math on the spot videos, real world videos, and professional development videos. Also, if you are looking for any sort of skill worksheets, you can find those here in the Are You Ready? The next resource that we're going to be taking a look at is the Teacher One Stop. The Teacher One Stop is actually a downloadable program for your computer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click the Teacher One Stop, and down at the bottom you're going to see it says TOS, so Teacher One Stop Win. So a program is downloading at the moment for you to install onto your computer. You go into your computer's download folder and go ahead and follow the prompts through installation. I've taken the liberty to install it already. So once you install it, you'll receive an icon on your desktop that looks something like this. And then you can go ahead and double click and open up the Teacher One Stop. So you can go ahead and click just here, right here on the GoMath book, and it has the units in the textbook. So if you pick a particular unit, it'll bring you to all of the resources for that unit. If you want to break it down into modules, you can go into modules and find all of the different quizzes for those modules, more pre-tests and post-tests, test prep, module challenges, and based on the lesson that you're teaching, you even have the downloadable worksheets, reteaching pages, success for English learners, lesson plan, solution keys, basically everything a teacher needs. What's really great about the Teacher One Stop is that it is available offline. So let's say you're taking a road trip somewhere, you can work on finding different resources for your stations for guided math if necessary. The next three resources we're going to be focusing on is the Interactive Student Edition, the Student Edition, and the Student Resources. Your Interactive Student Edition is exactly what it's saying. This is the piece where you can assign students interactive activities based off of the module or lesson in which you are teaching that particular day. The Student Edition is the digital version of their textbook. So it reflects exactly what they see in their pages, and there is also interactive pieces where they can go ahead and work on answering their questions directly on the ebook. And your student resources is exactly like your teacher resources. It is the PDF version of all of the sections and chapters in the book, more student edition in Spanish, real world videos and on-the-spot videos, and the skill sets that they might want to work on if they so choose to. The last feature I'd like to show you here on the platform is the Browse button. So go ahead and choose your grade level, and let's go over here to program structure. So what's cool about this Browse feature, it is also very similar to the Teacher One Stop. It breaks down your entire textbook, once again by unit, by module, and by lesson. So if you click here on Unit 1, these are the three modules that will cover the number system, and these are the different grade level resources you could use. So once again, unit tests are available here in PDF and Word. You'll find the Spanish ones as well. If you want to dive a little bit deeper, you can go into each module. Now we're going at module level resources, and you want to go even deeper some more, we can go in with lessons and go into lesson resources. You can also go ahead and assign any of these activities to your students through GoMath. So they can work on them through there and you can grade them and receive data as well. Another great resource here in the Browse tab is browsing by standard. So all the material that you saw in the program structure, all the different activities and assignments, now they've been categorized based on Common Core standard. So the activities are now classified based under the 8 different mathematical practices or the different categories within the 7th grade math Common Core curriculum. That's it. Remember, if you have any questions in regards to the platform, please do not hesitate to contact your coach. They'll have much more information and will be able to dive deeper in with you. Until next time, friends, have a great day.